Welcome to another CentreStack tutorial. Today I'm going to show you some use cases for file sharing. Use case number one is how to share photos with someone. So these are the photos I'd like to share. They're large photos, so generally you can't just attach them to an email because a lot of providers won't allow files that big. So I'm going to use a temporary mail account that I've set up to test this. I need to log into the CentreStack manager account. Once I've logged in, I'll want to go to My Files section of the interface, and I'm going to open up the Pictures folder. I'll copy the photos into that folder. Okay, here are the photos. Now I want to go up one level, and I'm going to hit the share option, and I'll hit the share option again to invite a user. Now I'm going to enter the email address of this user at Mailinator. And a note to invite the user to review the photographs. Hit continue. Now I need to select options for this, so I put in an easy password, and I'll send this password in a second email share. Okay, here it is. It's shared to this user. Now let's go back to the user's email account. There's the emails that were sent by CentreStack. Here's the password. I'll just go ahead and copy that, and then go to the other email that was received and open the Pictures folder. Now I have to enter my password, and there are the photos. So you can see how easy it is to share this with someone that does not have a CentreStack account. Now the second use case is to share a file that you want them to be able to edit. So I'm going to share a document file. I'll go back to the file browser, and I'm going to go ahead and create a document on my desktop. Let's open that and edit it. Put some text in there. Now it's important to note that you not change the file name of this. The user should not change the file name. If they do that, then they won't be able to upload it. It has to be the same file with modifications inside the text. So I've uploaded the file. Now I'm going to go up one level, and I'm going to share the documents folder. So I hit the share button, share to invite a user, and I type in the email address. Now this is going to be a little different because I want them to edit the file. I'm going to need to make it editable by them. So it won't just be a read-only function, it'll be a read-write function. So I have to give them permission. Now CentreStack is going to set up a guest user account. Now it's already sent out the email, so let's go and check their email account, and there's the two new files they've received. A welcome to the CentreStack installation, which also shows you the temporary password that was created. I'm going to copy that. Okay, now I'll access the document and click to log into the cloud storage account. I'm going to paste that password that I copied, and here we are. Now the first thing it wants me to do is change my password to something I can remember. And there's the folders. Notice that the Pictures folder that was shared earlier is also here because CentreStack remembers that. And since this is the same user, it allows them to access previous shares as well as the new share. So I'm going to go into the Documents folder, and there's the document. I'm going to click the little menu and hit Download. I'm going to click the little download icon in the top right so that I could see where it put it. and I'm going to open that folder up. There's the file. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. I'm going to save that, leaving the file name the same. I'll just drag and drop it. It says, hey, this is already here. Do you want to replace it? I say yes. And now I've got an icon view here, but I'm going to switch it to a detailed list view. And that shows me that this is version 2, and it's maintaining a version history of that document and the changes. I can download the previous version, or I can download the updated one and view it or edit it. So I'm going to open the file, and you can see that this is the edited version. And that covers the first 2 use cases. The third use case is to share with multiple users from your Active Directory account. This will be coming up in part 2 of file sharing use cases. Thanks for watching this CentreStack tutorial, and share with anyone you think might be helped by it, and I'll see you in the next one.